Hey guys, how you doing? Shane and I in front of the Kichler display, and we've got a exciting product that we just brought in. They've had it for a while, but Shane, tell us about their well light.
This, as he said, is the Kichler drop-in all brass well light. It does come with the PVC sleeve, but you do have the option to go ahead and unscrew, take that sleeve right off, and use it as a cord drill. As a lot of you guys love to do. So it's heavy as hell. It is a solid fixture, and it does come with a frosted lens. I know you guys do like that for the glare factor. Cuts off on that glare. So it's a great well light.
It really is heavy duty. I mean, we put in some of the contractors and they're like, okay, I'll give it a try, because they had their go-to, but they try this and they love it, guys.
Absolutely.
So price on that is
$49,
guys.
We're doing a little sale on it, so
one hell of a well light for $49.
Absolutely.
It is
49 bucks. So Kichler well light, 49 bucks, all brass, heavy as hell.
Heavy.
Nice fixture. So appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.